Georgie, welcome back to another video. Now, I'm actually starting this later because I forgot to actually film an intro and outro for this video, but I also don't want to spoil my rainbow decorations for you guys. So today's video is actually going to be me decorating my room for Christmas, and yeah, it's all behind me right here, but you can't even see it. It's so cozy this year. I feel like this year's become more like minimal and cozy, and I'm here for it, you know? Love that vibe. So most of the things that I have in my room are from the range, Home Bargains, B&M, Next, and things like that. So in this video, you will see me transform my room from what it was to being all Christmassy. I also get a brand new rug, which I'm so buzzing for. And then I also, as well, there's also a section in this vid where I create and add my own mini bar for Christmas. I added a mini festive Christmas cocktail bar. I had this really random idea of wanting a like mini bar because I get quite a lot of like mini alcohol free from PR packages. So I pulled them all out of my kitchen and basically created my own little mini bar, and I'm loving it. Like, I'm obsessed. So if you guys want to see this vlog, which literally includes me transforming my room from what it was to being all Christmassy, to getting a new rug, and then also having a mini bar, then just carry on watching. Have a look at my advent calendar, which I'm gutted about, but I've got a few days to open. This is the glossy box calendar that I got sent. The date I'm recording this is on day 7, so I think I need to get the rest out. So I need to get day number, there's number 7, which I need to get. She says I can never get the boxes out. This is day number 3, which is in like a little square box, which is cute. Day number 7. Oh my god. Day number 6. Oh my god. Hello. Oh, someone's come to join us. Day number 6. Day number 4. So this is the last drawer in the calendar, and I think all I need is day number 5, and then I think I have every single box. So hopefully, now that I'm up to date with all the boxes, I should be doing this every day now because I'm such a nightmare. I just keep like forgetting, and the last one, day number 5. So I think I've got all of them. Look at Rue. Oh my god, that is so funny. This is why you do not forget about your advent calendar, because I have so many to undo. But let's do it. I'm excited to see what's inside of these boxes. Alright, so I've just opened day number 3 and this is what's inside the little box. Now this is a multi-correction cream, which I've never heard of, but it looks pretty cool. Love anything to do with travel because it means when I go to London I can take things like this instead of full-size products. I don't know the brand name, but yeah, that was in day number 3. So I've just popped it back in the box. Now I'm going to open day number 4, which feels quite heavy. Like, this is a bit of a heavier one. Day number 4. I'm so happy with this. This is the Pixie Skin Glow Mist with argan oil. Oh my god. This is a pretty decent size. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. I love the glow tonic. The fact that this is the glow mist makes me super happy. Now I've got number 5 to open. Oh my god. This is a little mini liquid lipstick from Lime Crime. I've never actually tried any products from Lime Crime before, but I've heard good things about them. And this is the most beautiful, like, red Christmas colour. This is such a perfect size for your bag. This is in the shade Red Velvet, which is just the most stunning, true red, like a burgundy shade. It's so pretty. Oh, love that. This one is this one, which is quite a big one. This is day number 6. I have no idea what this could be because it's absolutely huge. Oh, I think I know what this is. The Lee Stafford Hair Apology 10-in-1 leave-in treatment spray. Now, if you guys know and follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I actually work with Lee Stafford and I worked with them on their hair apology range. And yeah, I've just done a giveaway with this as well, which is mad. So the fact that I've got another one is so cool. As I'm filming this, it's the 7th of December. So let's open day 7 of the Glossy Box. Oh my god. It's the Glossy Box Skincare 3-in-1 Moisturiser. It says plumps, primes and protects. And it's 93.5 natural, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, bloody hell. And it's recyclable, which I love. It's a full size as well, which is so cool. If you didn't know, Glossy Box have just recently launched their own skincare brand, obviously Glossy Box Skincare, which is so cool. So I'm definitely going to be trying this. I'm excited to try it because I've seen this all over Instagram and I'm excited to try it. So yeah. Alright, so that is me all done for the Glossy Box Advent Calendar. I love everything. I'm so excited to open the rest of it and try and keep on top of it as well. But yeah, that was everything to show you guys for my little Glossy Box Advent Calendar segment. I hope you guys liked my Advent Calendar unboxing. If you want to see more, then look out for my vlogs, because if you guys want me to unbox more of them, like film it, then I can definitely do that. So that is it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed. What do you think of my new room? Like, what do you think of the mini bar? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I will be changing my bedding, which obviously is like a light grey bedding, which I don't like. And fun fact, this package that's right there is actually my new bedding, black teddy bear bedding. So when that's popped on, I will show you guys a video of it, you know, in some point in a vlog. Let me know in the comments what videos you want to see this Christmas. If there's any with my brother or my mum, I can easily do that and I would love to do that. So, but yeah, I'm actually feeling kind of Christmassy now. I'm very happy my room's done. I've not been feeling that great recently, so this has definitely made me like a lot happier. And I feel like once you start doing that to your room, making it feel more festive, you do feel so much better. So yeah, I'm actually going to love you and leave you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.